I hear the Muslim Bacha lion is here. Come down and a star. Selassie. By the way of anointed Jah, fear Babylon. Fear not as Bacha's rhyme for mash up your system. Yeah man. When nothing good happens, anyway when the sound of crying, crying man, and worried around, when nobody cares about anyone. Allah, when Babylon devote the heart to heart and enslave them souls, then it precisely when that we should intensify free with prayers and acts almighty Jah more for help. Jah love me man, believe me the good Lord when I left we and we definitely give me a sign of what we do. Lord have a mercy and don't forget out of the situation. The main thing to believe that the Babylonian system impoverishes, we makes we merciless, turns we not stone people and finally kills us. It kills with brutally. We must fight against the Babylon. We must fight with wisdom. We must overcome Babylon. Come we out with ourselves, feel we weapon muscle love. And if so nobody can defeat us, we must fight against the Babylon. Come down, come down. We must fight with wisdom. We must overcome Babylon. Come we out with ourselves, feel we weapon muscle love. And if so nobody can defeat us. When nothing good happens, anyway when the sound of crying, crying man, and worried around, when nobody cares about anyone. Allah, when Babylon devote the heart to heart and enslave them souls, then it precisely then that we should intensify free with prayers and acts almighty Jah more for help. Jah love me man, believe me the good Lord when I left we and we definitely give me a sign of what we do. Lord have a mercy and don't forget out of the situation. The main thing to believe that the Babylonian system impoverishes, we makes we merciless, turns we not stone people and finally kills us. It kills with brutally. We must fight against the Babylon. We must fight with wisdom. We must overcome Babylon. Come we out with ourselves, feel we weapon muscle love. And if so nobody can defeat us, we must fight against the Babylon. Come down, come down. We must fight with wisdom. We must overcome Babylon. Come we out with ourselves, feel we weapon muscle love. And if so nobody can defeat us. When we get out of the situation, the main thing to believe that the Babylonian system impoverishes, we makes we merciless, turns we in a stone people and finally kills us. It kills we brutally. We must fight against the Babylon. We must fight with wisdom. We must overcome Babylon. Come we out with ourselves, feel we weapon muscle love. And if so nobody can defeat us, we must fight against the Babylon. Come down, come down. We must fight with wisdom. We must overcome Babylon. Come we out with ourselves, feel we weapon muscle love. And if so nobody can defeat us.